Hi, I'm Judy Weiniger with the Weiniger Group, and I'm here today at this beautiful listing to give you a personal tour you surely don't want to miss. This exquisite four-sided brick custom colonial is a very special place you can call home. Here are my top 4 reasons why I love this home and why you should definitely come see it in person. Number 1, location. Where you live matters, and the Castle Ridge neighborhood is one of the best. This custom colonial sits atop of the mountain, surrounded by other luxury homes, close to top-rated schools and downtown Warren, with numerous shops and restaurants. Number 2, gorgeous architecture. This stunning colonial was custom built by 2 local builders, John Rocker and Paul Rawson, in 2004. Beautiful architectural detail can be seen throughout this entire home. Greet your guests with this grand mahogany front door and see fine finishes and custom moldings everywhere. This is really showcased in the 2-story family room with the gorgeous coffered ceiling and wall of windows. Number 3, gracious kitchen. The chef's kitchen is truly the heart of the home, with its huge center island and top-of-the-line appliances. It's the perfect gathering space for family and friends, and it opens to the sunroom with its own fireplace. Number 4, space. This amazing home makes entertaining a pleasure with its high ceilings and lots of natural light. Host unforgettable holidays in the upscale dining room and spacious living room. There are 5 bedrooms, all with hardwood floors, including the first floor in-law suite. And I personally love the gracious home office. Don't you agree? This incredible home has so much to offer. Call me today to schedule your own private tour.